Algae in your grow bed? Want to know how to fix it and what the cause is? Let me show you. One of the common questions we get is, what can I do about the algae in my grow bed? Well, what causes algae to begin with? When it's exposed to water, it's got access to water, it's got sunlight, and it's got nutrients. So within our aquaponics system, we have all of those now, don't we? But what we don't want is algae, because it's going to start taking up the nutrients that our plants could be using. So we want to get rid of it. Now, the reason you have algae is, as you can see my water line here. There's just simply not enough expanded clay in there. So if I add a little bit of expanded clay over this section, that's going to cover up that exposed water. No more algae, because if you don't have sunlight, you don't have algae. So that's one of the key things that they need: sunlight, water and nutrients. Cover them up and have the top 2 inches of your aquaponics system as a dry layer. So we're talking about wet and dry. The dry layer is to prevent the algae. The wet layer is where our bacteria grow. So in my case, I have some of the extra gravel and I'm just going to sprinkle it on top. That is how easy it is to get rid of the algae within your system. Spread it around, make sure it's all covered. And now we can see that there's no more wet area in this section. It's sweet. So I've just shown you one way of the 2 ways of removing or getting rid of or preventing algae within your system. It's because your water level's too high. So you can top up your gravel, your expanded clay, or you can drop down your water level. That will depend on your system design. You might need to shave a little bit of the top off your PVC piping, of your standpipe, or it just depends on how you've designed your system. But ideally you would lower your water level about 1 centimetre or possibly even 1 inch if you've got algae on there. So increase the expanded clay or decrease your water level. You need that to have a dry level of expanded clay on top. Alright? Check out the description to find some more information about aquaponics and how you can move forward and get this happening.